na Outspa Show ena VTFM. Vito konikina.
Opunja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM ekamida ngaikachi.
A very warm welcome and good morning. Bulbanaka, we communicate
Good
and
morning,
Kani
good
Bulimaya and Namataka Dindai. We say and to all the students who are enjoying their school break now. Wherever you're tuning from, or to all the students, maybe in the Koro, say the Koro in the Dhaka. Enjoying their school break to all the parents. Kuna vole usara na itabile buning garaba. Dapat binakan may dapat binakan waso sinibulin da sabay pa nanda kuya. At sabay na matenando na waso sinibulin bimbing. Important one, membalantir na kelas itu terung. Saya dapat nomor
That term, very important term.
Iya, dina sara.
Balatani agarab itu kina na beta rong ito. Sar megay bandi taga kina.
Iya.
Kung wala dake, siya unan tabi ito ngayon na bunuang ngayon tabi ito kina go.
Don't know binak.
Ni kami kasi nibuli
Balilay?
Totoo rin tapi toka ni buli batakin. Dito rin toka ni buli batakin nandun ang kasi ni buli.
Hindi na sara.
And matak ni kuha.
Hindi na sara. Well, good
Dito sara
morning.
kina buli.
Iyo.
Dapat daw sulipir ng oni son
Assignments?
Iya.
Assignment merna da kamay.
My teacher.
Wala ta meron nira kuni, wala ta basta mera wele.
Iya.
Nira
English.
merna leso ni bango korni buli. Era na kila tu bakan assignment na soli
Iya.
na kami balata na term 1 kay na term 2.
Right.
Okay.
Balata merbana numiting aki na nabiliso ni kaya sang karabuti mai. So when they come back
Iya.
in term 3,
Iya.
they know and they are aware of
Iya.
what is happening.
Hindi na
Don't
sara.
know binak.
Kaya makaya siya nga,
Iya.
doon na tega bundrenre.
Tegbudan re.
Me kuni bakatakir to may me kuni
Iya.
bakatakir may ngani kaya may buli.
Iya.
Misuk may bangon na sereki. Dutal te buni tempo ni buli bo.
Iya.
Lalu nggo nang gabo kana buni kena salal tal tu.
Agay kuri ka dalawa.
And the parents too play an important role, eh?
Yes,
Iya.
very important role. Tumbu-tumbu
Iya.
tumbu-tumbu daw ni ba isusubo ka na nga na turang atama.
Iya.
Kaya nga sabi tu binana, eh?
Dina.
Iya. Iya, ngko na itukutuku hindi na.
Iya.
Nabi, nilore ito ka pamalu, na nisa ka matanga na parents day, yes?
Iya.
Na parents interview, kaya totoo na ito, okay?
Iya.
Kaya totoo, ranila ko tungaw nana.
Nana.
Iya.
Tatapo kami sa ano ni tabi tungaw nana. Kaya nga balita na bulingon, eh. Lako tiyan.
Iya.
Parents interview.
Parents interview.
AGM meeting.
Right.
Iyo.
The school rugby.
Iya.
School netball.
Right.
Everything
Ya,
take
tapi
part in
bila
school.
kira kan sar maramatin ay.
Tambure meeting, eh? Nora tambure. Laku tungaw na.
Laku tungaw na.
Iya.
Sakya na ngaw na me dabi turling takapatan ng tabi.
Iya.
Yan rabiti ko ngon ko sangaw nan renre.
Iya. Tapi suta man ta, eh? Kere tata, ke bako ni borong so matang ni ko bila sa ni andra, wa ke turang night mail na dalebu.
Iya.
Men tapi suta kana irere ni bikaso and dollar ti ko nondra support ta kinalubenta.
Hindi na sara.
Eh?
Iya.
Dari tuk matang ni ko, apa kan mabikito bikito pan relusyan ni.
So langaw na totolo tu nan nontal industry na ngoni puli sa out man result. Ari na tugon ka populasyon ni.
Iya.
Kasi ang ngoni populasyon kam kangay ko toko ni ko ya.
Don.
Iya.
Karita tu ni to bito ko ni tiko. Sa nga niyo populasyon na kali populasyon sa may wala to kaya ni.
Dina.
Iya.
Yani tuk
Rako,
bibi.
go and listen.
Yes.
And you look at the side and you take your phone and you tamba. Eh?
Right, yo.
One boy from London ni.
Iya.
When he was in class 3.
Iya.
My cousin.
Iyo.
Yeah. So after the exam,
Iyo.
Iyo.
he came home, brought his exam papers with
Iya.
him.
Right.
Tarang sa kito sa kami wawili ka na na sonitaro eh.
Iya.
Name 3 types of toilet.
Iya. Wala to na bantu ni buka na bubale na balan roka.
Do yan.
Imi tubo na patuang ka intas selbe na numisikan tapon.
Name 3 types of toilets.
Iya.
Yang ni perno na sonitaro. Flush toilet, water seat toilet, and sit down toilet.
Sini kimora yang rabuna kemana boleh bu Amerika.
Iya.
Ina boleh
Arunaka,
bersama semua
Arunaka,
yang
soccer
macam mana
suka.
kuah John Kumar. Oi, wala ma.
John Kumar Brarvel Road sa katoka yan binaka. Name 3 types of toilet.
Yeah.
Flush toilet, water seal toilet, and sit down toilet. Ito ko na stand up toilet.
Oi, kon London ni Ropasu. Jadi tindu.
Perer to be vinu ka.
Kuha.
Isa to everyone in this morning
Yeah.
watching us and inside your stomach, your manas,
Yeah.
Yes.
and you asking yourself, Isa, where's the shot fella?
Okay, tell us about your tabale.
Is my tabale is going to Mbua,
Damis.
Oh.
going to Mondemesi.
Yeah.
Now he is in the sea,
Iya.
Yes.
traveling.
Day ka.
Iya.
He is in the sea.
He is
Yeah.
in the ship.
When he'll reach Nambawalu, maybe at 9 o'clock this
Iya.
morning.
Right.
To all the Nambawalu, if you listen from Nambawalu, please go and see the Messi in the wharf.
Di na Sara.
Because-
Ni tabo
Send
di ko.
him back. Send
Yeah.
him back.
Because after a long time,
Iya.
Yes.
he was staying in the village when he came to Supa.
Yeah.
Got married. Now 3 kids. No more go back to the village. This is the first time.
Yeah.
After
A
many,
long
many
time.
years.
After
Yeah.
a very, very long time. Because
Yeah.
he wanted to, masamulay na
Because every time. Eh?
Silo town council.
Every time. The word from the Musuna.
Yeah.
Kantabu.
Ah.
Yeah.
And every time kantabu.
Yeah.
That night he was seen around
Nasese. Yeah.
he was crying and looking to the kantabu island.
And ano ka kim do na vorong may sabay kinoy andi Dorothy. And matang di ko jeta tibi ano na karato tao. Bul na ka nampas na se 4. Vorong bichu na koro turang ngole sen Sukura Road. Duncan domain watakira basten. And matang di ko.
Mili, ano ba na may naimbor-bor in the sea of baby sharks.
Samu.
Yo.
Ela saborta may turang matagalin the volleyball of the Matinimona.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes.
To all the listeners this morning,
Yeah.
one
Make it short, cricket, short.
one boy from Mungau
Yeah.
came to school in Suba. When he reached Suba,
Yeah.
he very peer pressure.
Yeah.
Going against the law
Tide.
and everything and go with the friends.
Yeah.
Yes.
They drugs too much. Hard drugs.
Yeah.
And one time he sent to the hospital in
Mental hospital.
Yeah, mental hospital in Alubatu.
Yeah.
And while he was there,
Yeah.
he made himself friend with Selasa.
Yeah.
Selasa his best friend. One
Selasa
time-
is from where, man? Selasa is from where?
I think Selasa is from Ngau too because they are friends.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Okay.
Because they are both from Ngau.
Yeah.
And while they were there,
Yeah.
one time, the nurse had one loud voice from the bathroom.
Yeah.
Hey, Samosi.
Hey, what happened?
And he was, hey, what happened?
Yeah.
Oh, Samosi.
Oi.
And sometimes all the nurse and the doctor ran to the bathroom.
Yeah. The sound effect.
Here. And this, and they had the loud bang, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, what's happening?
Hey, what's happening?
Yeah.
And when they opened the door,
Yeah.
and they saw Selasa hanging on the walls,
Yeah.
and the what you call
Oh, the
food,
clothes
eh?
wet.
All the clothes wet.
Yeah.
And the
Arot the memus.
and the leg like this to the bump the wall.
Yeah.
Hey, Mosi.
Nabondose.
And that time, they asked, hey,
Eh.
who hang this one here? Who hang him here?
Yeah. Baka nga ni sulu.
Bangane Sulu, hang. And same time, the caretaker came. Hey, one thing.
Yeah.
Chone, the guy from Ngau,
Yeah.
Chone helped Selasa. Selasa was drowned.
Oi.
Selasa was drowning?
You
Sonia
drowning.
helped Selasa.
And Chone same time dive into the pool and help
Grab Selasa.
grab Selasa up.
Yeah.
And they were all the doctors and the nurse said, ooh,
Yeah.
big change to this one.
Yeah.
Maybe the
He's okay now.
Good.
He's okay now.
Yeah.
Said,
It's
go.
okay. They can, if like that, they
Yes.
can send home. Eh?
Yeah.
Right.
They take him to one room to tell him the good news and the bad news.
Yeah.
And they tell him in that room, Chane, we are very proud of you.
Yes.
You help Selasa.
Yeah.
You make him alive again.
Congratulations.
That's a good news today.
Yes.
Yeah.
The bad news is,
Yeah.
The question
why?
is,
The question is, the big question is,
Yeah.
why?
Yeah.
Why you hang him inside the bathroom?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isa. Same time he turned back to the doctors and the nurse. He said, doctors and the nurse.
Milat tu dahulu nak.
Yeah, not know now. It's doctors and the nurse. I'm very, very sorry.
Yeah.
The only reason I'm hanging him inside the bathroom
Yeah.
because I want to dry him out.
they soon.
I want to dry him out. I want to dry him out. Because if
I'm sorry. You are not okay.
Nakapuna pun mo pito ko tulong manin hang te ko to baya.
Eh.
Nabuna lem ko hang te ko to baya.
Eh.
Balet mi biba mama te ko.
Kanta, ano ni binakan mo bito kan na matag kontra katul cuma cerita timbiu.
Oh,
Yeah.
wave her hand to stop the Ellie style bar this morning, but did not stop at her.
Yeah.
I call out to the punta man minibus.
Bilay sa niya, boleh binakas sama pagkikila. Tamaran ni Waya, tama buwan, tong boleh binakas.
Oh, yan na binaka.
Maria na lebu-lebu.
Yeah.
Na balay na sama boleh main mata na ni ko ana say ni ilibulan.
Yeah.
Boleh binaka.
Yes ah.
Sa na kinta boko ya.
Yeah.
Sartu kilar to na bunuay na nasi. Siya ngayon ang unang ko yung tani.
Iya sa pengerta kilangan nih sa
Erto iyo.
sa
Sa mana mata ini ngau nanin non sa bambulay ko yung mainan lubu.
Iyo.
Oh, kung ko sa set sa running oli vale.
Iyo.
Ya, na ko
Siya ang
nganalia
kailan
ka.
ko bali.
Ko nganalia ka
Uy.
baling ko etale.
Ang kalibaling ko ya. Ang kitarin ko rato. Nasa para po nung baling ko. Siya ang biba mate ko ya. Aulang kata kanina pa biti ko lang manibali.
Iya.
Nangiran ni... Tama ko, narinig buta na kau.
Iya.
Kaya baka nang biti ko na paling bloko.
Iya.
Narinig kau surat lang meso na
Oh, siya sabi nak.
Iya.
Bata na susu.
Susu ah.
Pinang mo lang Sara. Tama lang matakali.
Na, nabi kami daw may ngau.
So, hey, Boris way walu yan binaka bila sa niya binaka sa ni ilibula o atele mo luke roko mode.
Iya.
Hey!
Kia na sau talanga ya saya wa ni henki na mi udrai talanga. Da bale luke kere sa of teman-teman les di yalo no
Ker kuah.
Eh, jelatin biar binabalik besar siya belum
Oh, yang binaka sa mo wal may tabi uni po. Yanu bulan-bulan tong bulan binaka.
Toka.
Bulan binaka.
Duna kan nondan rus itu na kaimbu na mata bilani kuno rawara tu na wanga bana buwalu.
Kere beke mereka na kada mai mbuara ramba na bi kor ket sara. Lili warra kana ngone turang sangke juga ni gor. Do mantangan kere sebu tel ni wabu.
Gori.
Ningi talo lu sumai na tabana takava. Kongori. Dora kana beli chiwa. Iya, kongori sa tahu juga ni gori.
Iya, na ko na kune. Iya,
Jadi
kami
tengah
kami.
bang bulan binaka.
Tamay abay tabi mate. Saya baka
Kanya
niya.
non kuli.
Ya binabalik kami ni
Dono,
kada
iya.
kan dapat wala mana mata kami na ko binabalik besar na kinang tingin tayo bilay na outs palang show.
Iya.
May tao kan na mata kami na kentay. Kitsa may tabay ke.
Donu.
Binabalik besar punjas. Binabalik Binod Patel and Abu Kunibito Konilebu.
Iya.
And ang mata kami na ka eh. Duno mo like?
Iya.
Duno mo share. Utro nga